Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mini pads. Mini pads are a fantastic option for those days when your flow is light or as an extra layer of protection. They are typically quite small, often measuring around 6 to 8 inches in length, and are designed to be discreet and comfortable. You'll find them incredibly useful for spotting or the lighter days of your period. Applying a mini pad is super simple. First, unwrap the pad and peel off the paper covering the adhesive strip on the back. Next, center the pad in your underwear, making sure the sticky side faces down. Press it firmly into place to ensure it stays secure throughout your day. This simple step ensures maximum comfort and protection. Knowing when to change your mini pad is key for hygiene and comfort. Generally, it's a good idea to change it every 3 to 5 hours, even if your flow is very light. Always change it after using the restroom. When you're done, simply wrap the used pad in its wrapper or toilet paper and dispose of it in a waste bin. Never flush them down the toilet. Here are a few helpful tips for using mini pads effectively. Always keep a few extra pads in your bag. You never know when you might need one. For heavier days, consider using a mini pad as a backup to a tampon or menstrual cup. Opt for unscented varieties to minimize any potential irritation. These small habits can make a big difference in your comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.